Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be fun to just do a little sewing day. There are a ton of projects that I've been putting off for a very long time. And so today is the day. I'm just going to do as much as I can, especially because I just went and bought some new cute fabric that I will show you right now. All right, up first are the bowl covers and the jar covers that I have been putting off for way too long. I've had this fabric specifically for those projects for a long time, and now is the time to do it. So let me show you the fabric that I have picked out for these. So this fabric is super cute. It's gonna be great for covering sourdough starter and that kind of stuff. I am thinking of making these Christmas gifts, well, partly because there's no way I can use all of this fabric as bowl covers for myself, even though I do use quite a few. I made a couple that were a test run, and now I think I'm ready to make them for other people. All right, so what I did first is I took a bowl, and I can show you. I took a bowl and I put it upside down onto a big piece of fabric, and I used my marker to just put little dots a couple of inches away, and I'll put on the screen exactly how many inches. It just depends on the bowl and exactly where you want the elastic to kind of hug the bowl. So just kind of play around with this. All right, since the dotting is really tedious, I decided I'm just gonna do it one time. So I did it for every single size. And then what I'm going to do is follow it with the serger, and then I'm gonna pause, and I'm going to use that as my template kind of thing, and do it for all the fabric, so that way I don't have to keep on dotting on everything. If you don't know what I mean, just keep watching. So what I did is I put the fabric out straight, and then I took my little dots all the way around, and then I took that piece of fabric to the serger. I did not cut on purpose because the serger is going to do all that cutting for me. So I took that piece of fabric to the serger, and then I made little circles like this. So that's the first step, just to make sure that those ends are nice and taken care of. All right, so now I am all done with my templates. So this is the large, or maybe extra large. And then I've got large, and a medium, and then I got a small. So I'm going to trace these on some more fabric. I don't want too many where I have no idea what to do with them, but I think I can definitely give a couple together as gifts, especially to my friends who are really into sourdough and like soaking grains and things like that. So I think I can figure out a home for all of them. So I might go through and do some tracing on all of these, and then we will do the elastic, and then we'll be done. Really, this is very simple. All right, so now I have all my rounds done. I haven't even counted them, but I know that I have 4 different sizes and a good variety of all of the different fabrics. So now it's time to attach the elastic to all of these so that they can grip onto all the bowls. Also, this is the elastic that I got. It's so dark in here. Let me see if I can show you. All right, there it is. So this is the type of elastic that I got. That's its thickness. Honestly, anything close to this should do the trick. All right, so what I'm gonna do is put it upside down because obviously you want the elastic to go on the inside, and I am going to go right next to this serger line all the way around. So I'm gonna lock it in here, and then as I go, I'm gonna be pulling, and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so that's just to lock it in. And as I go, I'm pulling right here and turning, pulling and turning, okay? And this one, whoops, okay. How cute is that? Okay, let's test this out. Okay, so this actually works perfect on a narrow mouth jar. Let me try the wide mouth. Oh my gosh, it fits! It's so cute. It totally fits. It's got that cute little crinkle edge, and it's perfect. Alright, so I am all done with all of my bowl covers, and I've got 4 different sizes here. Some of them turned out a little bit bigger or smaller than the bowl just because of the way that I was turning it on my machine, but it's totally fine. There is a bowl out there that it can fit, I know that for sure, and so let me show you how they fit. Right, so in total I was able to make 30 little bowl covers in all different sizes, which is going to come in very handy for Christmas, which really is right around the corner, and I will be able to kind of mix and match some of these cute patterns and give them out as gifts. I do plan on making a couple more things as Christmas gifts, handmade, so if you guys like this kind of thing, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that I know, and I can definitely post those other ones for you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope that you guys learned something. These are super simple. If I can do this, honestly, anybody can do this. They are very beginner level, and the fabric really didn't cost that much, and same thing with the elastic, and so definitely give this one a try if you guys can for Christmas. They make really great gifts, especially for those friends who enjoy making sourdough bread, soaking grain, or really anything. They're very multi-purpose, but anyways, hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys back here in the next video. Bye guys.